Okay, today might be a dangerous day for my wallet. I've been seeing the new DJI Osmo 360 everywhere lately, and after watching way too many videos about it, I finally decided to go get one myself. So today's plan is pretty simple. We're going to pick up the camera, grab a coffee, and do a little unboxing together. What really got me interested in this camera is how compact it is. It's tiny, but you can shoot full 360 video, which honestly still feels kind of crazy to me. And from what I've seen online, the stabilization looks super smooth. The video quality is super clean, and it just seems like one of those cameras you can casually throw into your bag and bring everywhere. I also feel like 360 cameras make everyday moments look way more immersive, especially for travel videos or just walking around the city. So let's go get it. Okay, mission accomplished. I got a camera, and before opening it, I wanted to slow down a little and stop by a cafe first. There's honestly something really satisfying about buying a tag and immediately taking it to a coffee shop. So I ordered a coffee, found a quiet seat, and now I'm finally get to open this thing. I've genuinely been looking forward to this all day. And I'm not gonna lie, opening new cameras might be one of my favorite feelings ever. First thing inside the bag, the receipt. Very glamorous start. And then finally, the camera box itself. I have to say, the packaging actually feels really premium. DJI always does a pretty good job with presentation. But this plastic wrap? Why was it fighting for its life? I genuinely struggled with it for way longer than I want to admit. And then I remembered I had a pen in my bag, so problem solved. Once I finally got it open, the first thing inside were this carrying pouch, some stickers, and another small accessory box. Everything is packed super neatly, which honestly makes the whole experience feel even more exciting. Inside the accessory box, there's a battery, a charging cable, and a lens protector.
This is like the protector for the lenses.
Then I open up the carrying case itself. The case is actually super nice. Simple, all black, very clean looking. And finally, the camera. It looks even cooler in person. It's surprisingly compact, but it still feels very solid in the end. I spent the next few minutes just turning it around and looking at every angle like a kid with a new toy. Then it was finally time to put a battery in and powered it on for the first time. And technically, it did turn on. But then a QR code popped up telling me I needed to connect it to my phone and activate it first, which honestly felt like a little too much work for a cafe table setup. So I decided I'll deal with that when I get home.
Wow, look at this. So pretty.
After that, I started packing everything back into the box. And somehow, after putting everything away, I ended up with one random extra piece that absolutely did not fit anymore. So apparently, I already failed the unboxing experience. At this point, my coffee was already gone, the table was a mess, and I was probably sitting there way longer than I planned to. But honestly, this was such a fun little pickup day. I'm really excited to start filming with this camera soon, especially around the city and during trips. So if you want to see more videos shot on the DJI OSMO 360, definitely stay tuned. I hope you liked today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.